From childhood laughter to today's dreams, Neha's memories move from her walls to her screen, safe and always within reach. Every memory Neha saved felt permanent. Until one bad day, the computer flashed its scary face, the blue screen of death. It was just a scary dream. Her digital world was still safe. That's when she discovered iTeknowlogy, her data's mate. Their team stepped in, protecting her complete system with care. Her data was secured, not just locally, but in the cloud too. Weeks later, they proved it, a full system recovery from the cloud. Fear became trust, and now she shares her story because memories are too precious to lose.